Hello student, in the chapters of atomic structure, today we will discuss velocity of an electrons, time periods and frequency of revolution in Bohr atomic models application. Okay. Now discuss velocity of an electron. Dear student, you know that the Coulombic force is equal to the centrifugal force. Okay. Dear student, and also in studied in the previous lecture, Coulombic force is kz square upon r square and centrifugal force is mv square upon r. So we write it that this v square is equal to kz square upon mr. Dear student, when putting the value of angular momentum, you know that the angular momentum is mvr is the angular momentum of electron. This is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Yes, student. In previous lecture you have also studied. We write mvr at the place of mvr angular momentum. We write kze square. So we say that mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi or kze square is equal to nh upon 2 pi into v. Yes, student. Now discuss here what is the velocity of electron. Dear student, the velocity of electron is equal to 2 pi kze square upon nh is the velocity of electron. Dear student, you observe here pi is the constant, k is constant, here charge of electron is constant and h is also Planck constant. After the putting the value of the all constant in this equation, we observe v equal to 2.18 into 10 raised to the power 6 and into atomic number upon number of orbit meter per second. This is the formula to understand what is the velocity of electron in Young cell with z atomic number. Student, if you want to find the velocity of an electron in Young cell and z atomic number, for z atomic number, student, put the value 2.18 into 10 raised to the power 6 into atomic number of that atoms and the in questions which orbits are discussed. Okay, and the unit use meter per second. Dear student, this is the constant. So we say that velocity is directly proportional to z and inversely proportional to z. Dear student, it means the atoms which have the highest atomic number, their electrons move the higher velocity, and the electrons which move the highest orbit, highest cell, their velocity, the electrons present in highest orbit, highest cell have the less velocity. Okay. Let's now discuss another applications of Bohr model, that is the time period, that is represented by Tn. The student, time taken for the complete revolution in nth orbit is known as time period. It means the time taken to complete the complete revolution, of an orbit is known as time period. Okay. The student, time period is equal to 2 pi Rn upon Vn. That is because that you know that the velocity is equal to distance upon time. So for the finding time, we say that distance upon velocity. Here distance is circumference of this orbit. You know that circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi Rn, 2 pi r, and velocity is suppose Vn. So we say that Tn is equal to means time period for the n cell. Time period for n cell is equal to 2 pi and radius of n cell upon velocity of n cell. Okay. Dear student, you know that here pi is the constant. So we say that the time period is directly proportional to Rn and inversely proportional to Vn. It means the time period of n cell of electron to complete their revolutions is directly proportional to the velocity of this orbit and inversely proportional to the velocity of time periods taken by the completion of revolution by the n electrons in an orbit is directly proportional to radius of n cell and velocity of electron which revolve in n cell. Okay. So we say that here T is directly proportional to R and inversely proportional to V. Dear student, in previous lecture we are discussed R, that is the radius, is proportional to n square upon z, and here velocity is proportional to z by n. So put here, dear student, so we say that after this observation we say that the time period is proportional to, when n goes to here, n cube by z square. Okay, this is the formula of calculating time periods of n cell. Time period of n cell, time taken by an electron to complete revolution in n cell is directly proportional to n cube, that is the number of orbit, and inversely proportional to z, that is the atomic number. Okay, dear student, now we discuss other applications of Bohr atomic model, that is the frequency of revolution. Dear student, this is the number of revolution per unit time in nth orbit. This is the number of revolution per unit times in nth orbit. It means number of revolution per unit time. It means in 1 second how many revolutions take place in the orbit by the electrons. It means in unit time how many revolutions complete by the electron. This is the frequency of electrons. Okay, dear student, you observe here the frequency, that is Vn, is inversely proportional to Tn, that is time period, inverse of time period. The frequency is inverse of time period. Always remember, the frequency of an electron is the inverse of time period. Okay, dear student, you saw that you observe here that velocity, you know that velocity is equal to distance upon time, and time is equal to distance upon velocity. Okay, time is equal to distance upon velocity, but in this frequency is inverse of time period. So we say that the formula became also inverse. Here in time period distance upon velocity, in frequency we say that velocity upon distance. Okay, dear student, in this formula you say that 2 pi Rn upon Vn. So we say it is the inverse for the frequency, Vn upon 2 pi Rn. Okay, because velocity is Vn and distance is circumference of the orbit. Okay, dear student, you say here Tn, time period, is directly proportional to n cube and inversely proportional to z square, and you also know that frequency is inverse of the Tn. So we say that it became also inverse for the frequency. So we say that at the place of n cube upon z cube square, we written here z square upon n cube for the frequency. Okay, dear student, I think you understand well about the applications of Bohr model Dear student, this is the last lecture of Bohr model. Dear student, please read the Oren-Sade book and solve the related question related to this topic and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.